In this video, I'll explain how to open a trading account with the FxPro broker. And of course, we'll be doing this using our mobile phone. It's all very simple. First of all, you need to have an account registered with the broker. If you're not registered yet, you can scroll down below this video. There's a registration link in the description. Be sure to use it. This will take you to a website like this, the FxPro broker site. A window like this will open where we enter our valid email address and create a password. So enter your email and come up with a password. The password must contain at least one lowercase letter, at least one uppercase letter, and at least one number, and be at least 8 characters long. Also, the password must not contain any spaces. So these are the mandatory requirements. Next, click on Register with FxPro. Enter your personal information, first name, last name, date of birth, and your valid mobile phone number, and we are automatically taken to the dashboard. The broker immediately offers us to download the app depending on whether you have an iPhone or Android. Or you can simply continue working on the web version that is on our website. For demonstration purposes, I will choose to continue on the web version. And we are automatically logged into the dashboard. At the top, it says that registration was successful. You were invited by a partner. Here we can see your wallet. That is, you can immediately top up this wallet by clicking the Top Up button below. We can already see our real active trading account, which you can start using right away. But here you can make adjustments, for example, change the leverage. To do this, you need to go to the bottom left. There are 3 horizontal dots. Let's select them. Account information. So we can see it. Account number, account type. This is a real MT5 hedging account. That is, MT5 is the MetaTrader 5 trading terminal, which is a very convenient trading platform. I'll show you now how to use it and how to actually set it up for this hedging broker. This means you can open several positions at once, so you won't just have a single position loaded. For example, you open a trade here for $100 and then decide to open another trade for $100. If it's hedging, then you'll have 2 separate positions, but the status is not activated. You need to select the leverage. It's set to 1 to unlimited. Let's choose it. Just click right here, there's an icon, and select the leverage that's convenient for you. For me, it's pretty convenient. You can trade from 1 to 1,000 or choose 1 to 2,000. Let's select 1 to 2,000. It says here that the leverage size was successfully changed. Next, if we scroll down, there's a margin call at 10%. That means if your trade doesn't go as planned, in any case 10% of your deposit will remain if you get liquidated. Next, it says to activate your account and start trading, you need to make a deposit. So you can choose fund to activate. And the broker offers us several options to make a deposit. These include Russian bank cards, local cards, credit cards, USDT, which are digital dollars, meaning you can deposit via cryptocurrency. As usual, I always recommend learning how to use cryptocurrency because it's very fast and convenient. And I've also noticed that when you deposit or withdraw funds using cryptocurrency, everything is processed within just a few minutes. But if you use bank cards, you'll have to wait a little longer. For example, we select USDT, click continue, and then the broker asks us to choose a trading network. This is the network you'll use to make the deposit. Let's say TRC20 and below. The trading wallet loads for us, which we need to copy and send funds to this address. It says minimum deposit is $15. So we're back at the main menu of the website. There's also your wallet. This is the wallet where your funds will be credited. There's also an active deposit button here. It will redirect us again to the deposit options. Alright, let's go back. When the funds arrive at your broker, they will be credited to this wallet. So you'll need to press the button from this wallet. Transfer. Right now it's inactive for me because I haven't made a deposit. But when the money arrives, you just click the transfer button and select the trading account you want to fund. Also, if you want to open an additional trading account, select the button at the bottom, Open Account. And here we are, offered several options. Yes, the broker offers several options for opening trading accounts. The first is the standard FxPro with the minimum deposit you can make. Next, there is FxPro Raw, but the minimum deposit is $250, and it is more suitable for professional traders and also only for VIP traders. There is also FxPro Elite with a minimum deposit of $10,000. The main difference between them is that the larger the trading account, the better the trading conditions for you. So here at the bottom, you can view the details and choose the option that suits you best. So now let me show you how to open trades and how to load your trading account on MT5. And for that, of course, you need to download the MT5 app. Let me open it now. When you download it, this is what it will look like. Well, I already have some trading accounts loaded here, but for you, it will just be empty. An empty window will appear and you need to look at the top. On the right, select the plus sign and in the search bar, choose FxPro. Here it appears with the red FxPro icon selected. Next, we go to the website and the very trading account that you opened and to which funds have already been credited, because only in this case will it be activated. Select these three dots, the same ones we chose earlier. Click on account information and you can see that the status has become activated. Here we have the server, login, and there is a password if you haven't entered one yet. If you're trading on the account that was automatically created for you when you registered, then you will need to come up with a password here at the bottom. So what do we use here? Here we use the account number, copy it, go to MetaTrader 5. The account number will be our login, so click paste, and the password is the one you created when you set up your trading account. If you suddenly forgot it, you can click update and your broker will prompt you to create a new password, which you then enter here. Done. And your trading account will load. Here you'll see a notification about your balance. Next, at the bottom, you'll have quotes, charts, trade, and history. Quotes is where you go to select the trading pair you want to trade. Just enter any pair you like. Next, charts is the place where you can start opening trades. But we'll go over all of this in detail in another video. I also made a separate video about empty MetaTrader 5, so be sure to check it out. That's the video we ended up with. Subscribe to this channel and watch us in the next episodes.